Hello everybody and good morning. It's 6:05 here and it's early here in Evanston, Wyoming. Just almost into Utah here. We're getting things going. We're heading over to breakfast. There's a really great place here called Jody's. It's on the other end of town and it is excellent. So as soon as Galen gets here, we're on the road. Get some breakfast. Looks like everybody with good sense is in bed. This is downtown Evanston. We're having breakfast at Jody's Diner. Cool place. We try to always eat here, and we were successful today. They just opened up. If you're ever in Evanston, Wyoming, down here at the eastern side of the road, they have Jody's Diner. Jody's Diner is a place here. It's open 7 days a week, open 7 a.m. and it is awesome. Check it out. Just leaving Jody's restaurant, and this is kind of weird. It's all dark and overcast here, but notice where the sun's shining. That must be a good omen because we're going that way. In our motel theme here, you want to check this out. It's going to be hard to see. It's behind this gigantic pile of snow. Check this old hotel, 1920s hotel. Isn't that cool? We're just about at the site here. It's located above the Evanston landfill, and the site's up there. And I think we'll probably have to take the wheelers up there. We'll see. It's warmed up. It's 32 degrees this morning. Wow, it looks like an Ansel Adams picture. I'll just make it black and white here. Video, black and white. It's wheeler time. Yeah, we're gonna fire up the wheelers and take them up the road. As you can see, it's all snowy. And there's the site over there. And this is the landfill. Wow, it's kind of stark here. But it's cool looking, especially out here in this part of the world. And there's even the sun trying to come out. It'll probably burn through a little bit. 32 degrees. Let's go. Some of you have asked, what do we do at these mountaintops? Well, we party. We party with Pop Secret. Yeah, visibility went away here. We have to head down. A little bit of snow in this, but it's we're in the clouds here now. All right, Galen, needs help. We'll get the HP. We're headed next stop to Afton, Wyoming. We're now in Utah here. This road we're on squeezes between Wyoming and Utah. Let's have a look around. Not a lot to look at, obviously. It's big time snow over on this side of the state. Looks like there's at least one old place here. That's an old original. It's kind of cool. It's kind of a original prairie house here on the side of the road. We'll take a look here. Kind of interesting. We're just back into Wyoming here now from Utah. Let's have a look around here. There's a train there, and this train is the train that goes to Kimmerer that we saw when we went through the town. You don't see this very often. An old telegraph lines or telephone lines that go along the railroad with open insulators. We speculate they probably still use part of that. Of course, not telegraph, but probably some kind of carrier. Another train coming. We're just in the town of Afton now. We're gonna go find something to eat here and then go do our job. Afton, Wyoming. This is Afton, Wyoming, and if you look closely at this bridge here, it's made from antlers from elk. Isn't that wild? Anyway, downtown Afton here now. We just left Afton. We're just about at our radio site here. Get close. We've arrived at the Afton radio site. Just have to stop here on the side of the road and unload. And the radio site's right up there. It's not far away, but you can't walk there, and we certainly can't drive there. Galen's getting the snow removal equipment for the front door of the building. Anyway, looks like it wants to snow here. It's black as heck. And we'll see how it goes. Doesn't matter to us. We'll get her done no matter how we do it. We're getting ready to leave. That's the propane tank, and the whole top of it's covered. You got to dig down and check it for the backup generator. Anyway, it's looking good. It's could be worse. It could be up over the door, and it's not. All right, let's get to work. And just like that, we're done. See you later, antenna. All done. On the way back down to the truck. We're off the mountain and headed to Jackson Hole, Wyoming for the night.